you guys doing? I'm Andy with My Soldiers Trades.
And I'm Sara.
And today, basically, let's get into it with NNVC. NNVC had looked like it was going to hold a nice little negative sloping trend line on the 5 minute. It had 3 touches, and all of a sudden, it broke through that support or resistance, and went flying there.
Yeah.
So, anyways, I ended up grabbing some pretty decent little trade on NNVC.
Yeah.
And the other one was LPCN, another one that came across the squawk today. So that one worked out, not much to say other than just, quickly grabbed it from the alert.
It had some news. FDA is satisfied with its approach to collect data for the resubmission of Talando.
Can you guys tell that I'm like antsy to get out of here? Such a nice day.
Yeah, because I didn't even get to read the news for NBC, which they did have news that, I don't know if this is exactly news, it just says shares of flu shot manufacturers stocks are trading higher following an increase in non-Chinese coronavirus cases. So they must make flu vaccines.
You guys are awesome. Not trying to get away from you. In fact, if you guys want to go walk a trail today, let me know. Or kayaking, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Let's just go enjoy this nice weather. It's so nice. Yesterday, it was like Endorphin City, just getting out and enjoying it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to take a nice walk along the lake yesterday.
Yeah, it was pretty nice out. It's nice.
But the winner of today,
COCP. COCP, and they had some news. They announced a license agreement with Kansas State University Research Foundation for norovirus and coronavirus antiviral compounds.
Now she's in a hurry to get out of here. You're how fast you read that news. Wow. I'm not sure that I can even keep up with that. But yeah, some really great news for the whole coronavirus and norovirus. So, that's something to definitely keep an eye on. Right now, I believe that they are breaking or about to break and make even new highs as we speak. Okay, well, it's anyways, it's looking pretty good even right now.
Yeah, it is. But this thing came from under $1, so nice trade.
Yeah, really nice trade. I could have stayed in there longer the first time around, but just I'm here to grab bite-sized, predictable pieces. I don't really like to lose control of my trade.
Right.
I think that there comes a certain point where, sure, you can let your winners run, but if you've lost control of that trade, you're kind of at that moment gambling. And I don't really want to gamble in this. I just want to stick to my trade plan and follow through with what I have over here because it's working so far. So.
Right. Yeah.
And, and I just want, if there's any message that I want to get out, it's not that I want to tell you guys how to trade. I don't want you guys to trade like me. Please don't trade like me, But I do some crazy stuff. But the thing is just the only message I really have is slow and steady.
Yeah.
Take it slow, take it easy. Learn how to make $1 before you can make 10, and before you can make 100. Before you can make 1,000, and so forth. Just we have to start from the bottom to work our way up, and then once we can perform well there. Time to up some size or whatever it is.
The more you get to trade, like maybe small amount, you learn easier, I think, or better because you're in it longer, Instead of blowing your account right away, then it's like, okay.
Yeah, because even when I was tempted to increase my size at first because I was doing really super well, I shouldn't have. I should have just stayed where I was, because I was doing really well with the whole day trading thing when I first started day trading. But, I started getting this whole, looking at all the gurus and thinking, if they can do it, then I can do it. I've told you guys this before several times, but if they can do it, I can do it. So what did I do? I tried to do what they did. I increased my size, and then I just started getting hit hard. I didn't blow up my account or get slaughtered or anything, but it was enough to where, it got stupid. So,
right. Yeah, so.
It's just, it's best just to learn how to trade and not focus on becoming rich. So many people with trading, they focus on the money. They focus on getting rich. I'm just here to trade. I love trading. I don't care if anybody has, such and such amount of dollars, $1 million or anything, whatever these numbers are, these special milestones that everybody's trying to talk about and stuff. I hear all the time, I've heard people with less than me and more than me saying the amount that they've made this day and everything. To me, that doesn't really matter. Mm-hmm. What matters is how did you trade the chart,
Yeah.
Did you do good? Are you obeying your rules? Are you growing as a trader? Are you learning more every day? Because this is the stuff that matters. If you profited 18 grand today on one trade and it took you 2 minutes, I really don't care. What does that mean in the long run? How consistent is that? Anyways, COCP, we just hit that thing over and over again. Mm-hmm. We are well over, 2.6% in one of our accounts today.
Yeah.
And the other account, and the reason we had switched and went to another account today is because our computer was having some glitchy issues somehow. We had crashed, as far as our platform had crashed, I think 3 times.
Yeah.
And that never
Something
happens.
unusual, yeah.
So very, very unusual there, and we need to figure that out because, I can't be having that happen. But I did log back in and got some successful trades several times after it crashed.
Yeah.
So that was kind of nuts because it did crash again after I had even got those trades in there. So then I just finally opened up the other platform, and luckily I did because I went in with some decent size, and 2 trades brought me to 2% of the entire account. And I was pretty safe, so with a tight stop, I was definitely not going to be risking too much there.
Good trade.
Yeah, that was a 5-to-1 risk to reward, and it worked out exactly like I had planned it. So I love when those happen. Very nice.
Yeah, very, very nice.
And that means that my stop was literally so tight that you couldn't. If it would have moved at all, I'd had to have been out of there.
Yeah.
And that's a whole other part of this. Like, can you do it? Can you actually stop out? Because I'm in full control of my trades. I don't have any sort of system set up like with a hard stop or anything.
Right.
But,
so.
Anyways.
No.
That's it for today.
Yep,
So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll be back doing the same thing every day, pretty much. Unless there's something going on that day, we'll bring you guys these wrap up videos. We're coming out with a lot of videos on order execution now. Stealth trades is a big one, guys. Keep that in your mind. Stealth trades.
Yeah.
Only let them know what you want them to know. Don't reveal yourself. This is kind of like poker in a way. Sometimes you do not want to reveal, your position. Sometimes if you hit the bid, you'll never get that bid. Or sometimes you get the ask, you'll never get that ask. So more on that to come. And anyways, like I said, like and subscribe, and thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for joining us, and check us out. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.